Hello, folks. Welcome back to this next episode of Markarian Monday. Hope everyone's having a great Monday so far. So, the topic of today's episode is going to be employment law, particularly focused on meal and rest breaks. Here at the Markarian Law Firm, we recognize the importance of meal and rest breaks in maintaining a healthy work environment as well as the well being of employees. Our seasoned employment attorneys specialize in addressing any violation related to meal and rest breaks, ensuring that the workers receive the breaks that they are legally entitled to. Now, understanding meal and rest breaks in California. California Labor Code 512 outlines employees' rights regarding meal and rest breaks. The aim is to prevent excessive work periods without adequate breaks. Under California law, all non-exempt employees working more than 5 hours in a day are entitled to an unpaid 30-minute meal break. This break must be provided before the end of the 5th hour of work. Now, if an employee happens to work for more than 10 hours in a day, they are entitled to the second 30-minute meal break. Essentially, California law mandates rest breaks for non-exempt employees who work more than 3.5 hours in a day. What are some of the California regulations regarding meal periods? Minimum duration has to be 30 minutes. The timing, it has to be before the 5th hour. Second meal break if you work more than 10 hours in a day. And also, there are other rest breaks which are included. Duration has to be 10 minutes. It has to be paid. And the frequency for the 10-minute breaks has to be 1 for every 4 hours work period or a major fraction thereof. There are some exemptions. Employees working less than 3.5 hours in a day do not get that 10-minute rest break. And also compensation, 1 additional hour of pay at the regular rate for each missed rest or meal period is required. All right, so understanding employees' duties. Key points. Non-exempt employees working over 3.5 hours are entitled to a 10-minute break, paid rest period for every 4 hours or major fraction thereof. Employees must be completely relieved of all duties during this break. This is a key point, folks. Employers cannot impede or discourage or dictate where the employee can go during their breaks. Also, employers are not required to force employees to take these breaks. So that's another key point to remember. All right, so what are some exempt employees? Generally hold certain non-exempt employees are essentially those that are entitled to federal minimum wage and overtime pay, including various occupations across different fields, not limited to professionals, mechanical, technical, clerical, or similar roles, and are guaranteed an unpaid 30-minute meal break if they work more than 5 hours in a day, must be relieved of all duties during the meal break. All right, so what are some exempt employees? These employees are the type that generally hold a certain supervisory or administrative or professional role. These employees are also not automatically entitled to meal breaks or overtime pay under federal and state laws. Specific criteria to determine their exempt status is required, and it is crucial to consult official resources or legal professionals such as myself to make that distinction between non-exempt and exempt. All right, folks, so if you have any questions regarding meal or rest break violations, or whether you are an exempt or non-exempt employee, please feel free to reach out to me at 877-MARKARIAN, markarianlaw.com. My website has tons of information there. You can scroll through, take notes, or actually there's forms where you can reach out to us in that manner as well. You can also tag me in one of my many social media outings. You can do hashtag Markarian Mondays or hashtag AskLawyerJohn. All right, folks, hope everyone's having a great Monday. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Same time, same place, same channel. Have a great day, folks, and have a great week as well. Thank you.